In this video, I want to show you how to back up the pictures and videos from your iPhone 16e on a USB drive. So let's get started right away. First thing, the USB drive needs to be with a port like this one, type C, because the iPhone 16e only has one port and it's a USB type C port down below. So if you have a normal USB drive, don't worry, simply get one of these small adapters. I'll put links in the description where you transform them in a USB type C drive. They also sell some USB drive that are directly type C, and again, I'll put links down below if you want those. So once you input the drive right over here, all you have to do is to select the pictures and videos that you wish to back up. So by pressing select and then tapping on all the pictures and video you want to back up, okay, you see they have all blue check marks. Once you have selected them, you're going to press this icon. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. And from here, you simply have to go down and select Save to Files. Tap on this option. It may take a few seconds. You're going to see preparing. And now from this screen, you're going to press Browse on the top left corner. And you should see your USB drive on the top. Mine is called Lexar 8. Yours will have a different name. So tap on it. Select which folder on this USB drive you want to back up the pictures on. And if you want to create a brand new folder for this backup, click the three dots and then select New Folder. Now you can rename this folder and call it the way you want. Let's say Backup 2026. Tap on the folder just to go inside and then press the Save button. Every video and every pictures you have selected will go right over here, will be copied on the USB drive. They will still be on your iPhone memory, but now you have a backup, and in case something happens with your iPhone, well, it's a great news. You won't lose your pictures and video. They will be on your drive. Now, as you see, it's quite a slow process depending on the speed on your drive. This is a very slow drive. This is why it takes a while to copy these. But if you have a quicker one, well, this would have been done by now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Again, check my Amazon links down below if you want to purchase a drive, a faster drive than this one for your iPhone, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.